$89 for a single bottle of liquid is a massive gamble when you are betting on your own biology. We see these slick advertisements popping up all over our social feeds. They promise a fast track to weight management and better health. This specific product is making waves under the name Black GLP Freedom Drops. It leans heavily into a very specific marketing niche. They are calling it a solution for black gut health. That is a bold and very targeted statement. It suggests this formula is uniquely designed for a specific community. But we have to look much deeper than a catchy label. The core claim here revolves around something called hormone production. This is the exact same metabolic trigger that those high-end prescription weight loss medications target. The marketing for these drops says the formula can naturally increase that response in your body. It claims to help your system use food for energy instead of storing it as fat. That sounds like a dream come true for anyone struggling with weight issues. One single bottle is priced at $89. That is a significant investment for a liquid supplement. They try to sweeten the deal with big discounts on bulk orders. They even shout from the rooftops that over 13,000 women have already approved the product. This is where we need to stop and think. A customer testimonial is not the same thing as a peer-reviewed clinical study. Seeing a smiling face or reading a success story is not scientific proof. Supplements live in a very different world than prescription drugs. Approved medicines have to go through years of intense testing. They have to prove they are both safe and effective before they ever hit the shelf. Supplements do not have to jump through those same hoops. They operate under a much looser set of rules. This means the burden of proof is on you, the buyer. We have to be incredibly skeptical of any product claiming to naturally boost hormone levels. If a liquid says it can fundamentally change how your body processes fuel, you need to see the data. You need to see a full list of ingredients. You need to know if those ingredients were tested on actual people in a controlled setting. Right now, there is not enough public evidence to call this an outright scam. However, the red flags are definitely there. The marketing is incredibly aggressive. The weight loss promises are quite dramatic. It is so easy to get caught up in the excitement of a new health trend. But your body is a complex machine. You cannot expect a few drops to simply override your internal chemistry without any side effects or risks. Real health transformations usually require more than a bottle of liquid. You should always sit down with a qualified doctor before you start any supplement that claims to mess with your metabolic triggers. Do not let a well-designed website make decisions for your well-being. Dig into the facts. Read the fine print on the refund policy. Check if the company has a real physical address. If the company makes it hard to find independent research, you should probably keep your wallet closed. Convincing marketing is a powerful tool. It is designed to create a sense of urgency and hope, but a good ad is not the same as a good product. Your health is your most valuable asset. It deserves better than a gamble on an unproven formula. Think about the ingredients. Think about the science. If those things are missing, the price tag just does not make sense. Stay curious and stay cautious.